if you want to change the keyboard on your Samsung phone, so in this video, I will show you the exact process on how to do that. First of all, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search the name of the keyboard which you want to download on your Samsung phone. For example, I will select Gboard. But you can also download any other keyboard, like the Microsoft Swift keyboard. But for now, I will select Google's Gboard. After you download Gboard, then tap on Open and tap on Enable in Settings. From here, just enable the toggle for Gboard and select OK. And after you do that, just tap on Default Keyboard and select Gboard instead of Samsung keyboard. And after you do that, you will change the keyboard on your Samsung phone. Just like that. Now, if you have done that, but if the keyboard on your Samsung phone did not change, then go to your home screen and open Settings. In Settings, just go to General Management, then tap on Keyboard. From here, just make sure that the toggle for your keyboard is enabled. In our case, I have downloaded Gboard, so just make sure that the toggle for Gboard is enabled. After that, just tap on Default Keyboard and make sure that your keyboard is selected from here. And after you do that, you will enable the keyboard on your Samsung phone. But if this also did not work, you can restart your Samsung phone to fix this glitch. And this is how you can change the keyboard on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.